nomunye enye ingane umsebenzi wakhe nje umakhwela munye ukuthi angenzela abantu.
Samukela ukhona hambe uyozijolela wena nomunye umuntu owuntanga wakho uphume ekhehleni leli uzodlala udlala lo mfana buza thina sibadala simtshela ngayo la why cha ngiyodlala ikhehle.
Hawu mina guys bengizitshela ukuthi abantu ba-happy. Kuthiwe si-happy thina si-content mina nomuntu wami. Kanti no, umusa nje uzama by all means ukuthi nje adixele phansi uSamkekhwela. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm back with Umusa Mseleko. Guys, Umusa Mseleko recently said kuSamke the only role yena ayizelela kule family ukumzalela abantwana. Like it's literally giving birth to children. It's the same thing he did nguMakhumalo athi ngoba awukwazi ukuzala abantwana ngizofuna omunye umfazi ozokuzalela abantwana. So isitori sabo guys like ngathi sisahlangana. I know it's a reality show and it seems like they're acting, but no, you should look face yaka Samkekhwela. She was like annoyed. She was annoyed. Because imagine umuntu ozitshela ukuthi uyamthanda and already somzalele and upreg futhi, and then he tells you ukuthi the only role when you came for la endlini is giving birth to abantwana bami. Proudly at TV guys telling everyone. Kodwa guys umayeni wami ukhuzi sami kwathi sami ngihamba uyojwala nezintanga zakho. Ngidlalwa ikhehla. You can see the attitude umusa anayo. Uzuyasho the only role wena oyizelela endlini ukusizalela abantwana. That means awumthandi mos. That means umusa akamthandi uSamke. He's just there ukuthi nje isithembu. I feel like umusa is greedy. He's greedy because abafazi bakhe bonke bayakwazi ukuzala except for uMakhumalo, and uMakhumalo akayenzi IVF. But then he chose to ukuyothatha umntwana omncane oWuSamke and then azomthwesa umthwalo. And also if ever uSamke naye knew uthi yena ngisho akazelanga indlala la kubaba Mseleko. If ever she knew ukuthi bokuzenzeka so, I don't think bekazomgcomba baba Mseleko. Even if she was chasing fame, I don't think so. But because bekangazi and she was angazi ngizothini ubevalekile njenge host and yonke into manje uyithola sekaphakathi emshadweni sekanabantwana guys. Guys, Nina, what are your thoughts on this? Yo, mina, my thought is that uSamkekhwela, there's no way akayo prevent girl. Uyabona bonke abafazi bakaMseleko baya prevent. Akayo prevent naye angazodlalwa ikhehla. Thank you guys for watching.